Alright, I don't even know what time in the morning it is. I've been working on this motherfucker since I've got home, and I decided to do it now of all times. It is 2:15 in the morning because I was up at K-Gas chilling with a girl named Jenny Marie. She gave me some energy. She got my hopes up that I can get this out. Now I've already got the seat out, center console out. I've probably been working on it for, probably an hour. Got the center console out, seat out, box halfway out, wiring to the amp off. Plus that's, that hour includes, me waiting on the drill battery to get fully charged. But here is the Incriminator Audio Warden 18 dual 2, and it's the box for it. 7.5 cubic feet, 38 hertz port, and I've just been sitting here listening to some tunes. But I'm about to get back to work, and I will give y'all a holler, or I will see y'all here in a second when I pull this sub out. I'm gonna set the box right on this pallet right here so it don't get dirty. And there's all my shit from building this box, all my shavings. But alright, see you in a second. I don't know. Got this motherfucker out. It's the box. There's the Warden. I need to take some pictures of this motherfucker, this beast, so I can have it on my MySpace as well. I don't want to get this motherfucker too close. It'll erase the memory on my goddamn camera. Barely moving. I still haven't figured out what was rattling. Oh, that's probably it right there. See that crack right there? Goes all the way. Right there. See, this is one piece of wood. That's one piece of wood, and the crack is in the middle. And it is all the way on this side too. And right there. Well, so much for making this a temporary box. Now it's just a piece of shit. God damn it. Well, I'll tell y'all people right now, Incriminator Audio Warden series is not something to fuck around with. Even if you only got 2,000 watts on it. Sorry if I'm slurring. I've been drinking a little. It will break your box. You better have at least, I got 2 sheets. That's my faceplate. At least have 3. It's not cracked on this side. But well, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do now. Guess we're gonna have to build another box. Any suggestions on fixing this motherfucker, y'all let me know. ASAP, because I want this motherfucker back in there beating by Thursday, and it is Sunday morning right now. I was thinking about doing a lot of silicone on the inside and rhino lining the inside and rhino lining the outside. Maybe that'd hold it better, you know. I'll set the center console, seat. Just got shit thrown everywhere. Alright people, I got a little bit more work to do apparently. See if I can salvage this son of a bitch. And thank you once again, Jenny Murray, for giving me the energy and the patience to put up with this son of a bitch. My car. Oh God, I need to lay off the whiskey.